Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Jeep Compass and I will show you which fuse to check in case your power seats are not working. This video will apply to Jeep Compasses made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. The power seats fuse is located in a fuse box under the front hood, which is right here. Now to lift this cover you will have two black tabs which you want to press at the same time and lift it straight up. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. The power seats fuse, it's a fuse number 9 located right here, which is a 40 amp fuse. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.